Good morning. A beautiful day on tap so far, but it may not stay this way for that much longer. We're looking at the possibility of strong thunderstorms again developing across the area. That'll happen in the late afternoon and evening, and because of that, it is a first alert day. Severe weather risk is right now highlighted across the area. We look at the possibility of some winds and some hail and some downpours of rainfall later on. Right now, though, so far, though, a very pleasant summer-like morning. Here's the current scene from some of our Lewis Stidaldo cameras across the area. Some sunshine. Temperatures in some cases already up to 70 degrees this morning. So a very mild morning, but it is a first alert day nonetheless, and looking at the possibility of severe weather happening as early as 4 o'clock this afternoon, lasting into the evening hours, right until about 8 to maybe 10 o'clock across the area. Strong to severe storms, large hail, damage, and winds, the primary threats, although heavy rainfall may also accompany some of those more robust thunderstorms that develop to the west. Right now, here's Future Track satellite radar. Just a couple of very thin clouds in the area, but boy, very quiet and bright weather picture across the area. There's a cold front for the west. Now we are behind the warm front. You see that draped to the north of us. That warm, humid air has been building northward. We've been experiencing that for a couple of days. And this humidity, this warmth, that the extra buoyant atmosphere, the extra unstable conditions will set the stage for maybe large, strong hail and some strong winds and some of the storms that develop to the west along that cold front. Ahead of that front already this morning, look at some of these numbers. Rochester 65 degrees at the airport, Wausau 67, is 69 in Sioux Falls, Aberdeen 71 already at this hour. Of course, that warm air and that humidity priming the atmosphere for those storm chances. And we have level 2 risk from the Storm Prediction Center in that 5-tiered scale. And so the orange areas and the majority of the area is in that level 2 risk. Large hail and damaging winds, the concerns. 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. area wide, starting for the west, moving eastward. Now, as activity is a little more progressive this time around, we're not likely to see the extreme rainfall amounts we saw last time, but downpours of rain are still a concern today to go with those storms, as much as an inch in those storms as they move along. Looking at the severe weather time frame there, 4 to 10 p.m. on our outlook, brief showers possible ahead of that, but again, the severe weather risk really starting around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Right now it's 65 in Rochester, Winona 68, Mason City 65 degrees as you head to the ballot box in North Iowa. Of course, today is primary election day and a warm one for that, but strong storms this evening. Still a concern across the entire area. That may impact some of that as well, the election going on there. Breezy with a brief shower, non-severe weather tomorrow, and sunny, mild weather for the weekend. Here's Future Track computer modeling, looking at some sunshine, temperatures soaring to the 80s. We've been there a time or two already this week. Today, a rather warm and humid, breezy day. Brief shower possible in the afternoon. Stronger storms. You see that line coming in from the west with that cold front. That sweeps eastward across the map from, again, 4 o'clock until about 10 o'clock this evening, with some strong storm activity impacting the area. Beyond that, the showers taper off by midnight. Temperatures dropping to the 50s. Tonight, winds drop off for a little while. Then tomorrow, breezy day again. Another cold front comes through, generates a brief shower or two in the area. Hit or miss showers from about 2 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow until just after sunset. Tomorrow, temperatures in the 70s, though, and then another breezy day, but a drier day on Thursday as cool air continues to funnel into the area. Look at these numbers, though. We're going from 80s today to barely 70 degrees on Thursday, and then the weekend, less windy, sunny, quiet weather, and very comfortable, seasonably mild conditions, mid-70s for the weekend. Boy, fantastic weekend ahead of us. Showers and thunderstorms in the late afternoon. Otherwise, some sunshine, a gusty breeze today. High of 83, south winds at times 25 miles per hour. Tonight, 55, some evening thunderstorms, clearing skies late with a diminishing breeze. 7-day forecast, a couple of windier days, though, tomorrow and Thursday. And then we look ahead at the weekend, and boy, things look fantastic there. So we get through this first alert day today, and we will have earned a good-looking weekend, and hopefully, we'll be able to dodge the bullet today. We do have the threat of severe weather. We're always hoping for the best in all of that, but we really look forward to something more peaceful, of course.
Yeah, it's always nice to have something peaceful and calm to look forward to.